Why are you looking at me? Okay. Welcome to the channel. My name is Dawn. This is Sierra.
Hi.
We're here today to watch some animal funny voiceovers. Let's go.
John, are you seeing this?
What?
Take a look at it. What the hell? Look at this, John. Where's the food? Hey, John, riddle me this. What the fuck? Hey, John, you know what time it is? It's time for you to do your fucking job. Hey, let's just, Jerry, let's just calm down. What the, oh, Jesus. Jerry, we talked about this. We were gonna just, come on, Jerry. Jesus. Let's just put the hose down and we can talk about this, all right? Let's just, Jerry, if you do that, God damn it. If you do that, no! Where the hell did she put it? I know it's around here somewhere. God damn it, Sharon, that was my last bit of nip. If I can just, that's not, Sharon? Let's just, Sharon, let's calm down here. I'm just gonna close this. We can talk about this, Sharon.
10,000 years of evolution and this pathetic.
Oh, yeah? Huh. Well, who's in the cage, bitch? Hey, Gator. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, get back into that water where you belong. Hey, Bear, I won't have to tell you again. Get the hell out of here, all right? Get out of here, you son of a bitch. Get out of here. I can't wait to go to the... Oh, shit, bitch. God damn it. Oh, did you see what happened? We gotta be careful. Oh, shit. John, let me get on your back. Actually, quite... Oh, Jerry, what the hell is happening? You know what? No, I don't like that. I don't think I like that at all. Jerry! No! What the... Oh! Okay, let's just take a breather. Jerry, what did I just... Oh my God. No, not today. You know what? I'm gonna bite your finger. Oh, damn it! This is mine now. I'm just gonna... Son of a bitch. All right, Sharon, turn the chair. Yes, my name is Harry the Hedgehog, and I... Sharon, what the hell was that? Turn the chair back. Yes, my name is Harry the Hedgehog, and I... God damn it, Sharon! Hey, the name's Ronnie Dow. I'm just gonna tiptoe over here. Hey, wanna see a cool move? Ooh, what the hell? Where am I? Sharon? Wait, alright, so with the 2-foot linear space combined with my mass, I should be able to clear this gap no problem. Here we go. Oh, shit.
Oops.
God damn it, Timmy, you said it was right here.
I swear, Bobby, I put it right here.
Well, how about you try telling that to Marcus when we're 6 feet on?
Hey, what you got there, huh?
No.
That looks pretty good.
Jimmy, back off, alright?
Hey, what you got there, huh?
God damn it, John.
What's going on up here, boys?
No, not you, George. You stay down there.
Here.
Stop sniffing my ass, John.
That smells good. All right, that's it. Come on, give me some.
I'm not gonna give you any.
No.
This is my...
Hey, come on, just a bite. Don't be a dick.
I worked hard for these nuts, alright, guys? Stop sniffing me.
That smells good.
I know it smells good, alright?
Yeah, just give me some of that.
You're not...
Get the fuck out of here.
Oh, wait, no. I want to come up there, too. Come on.
No means no. Hey, excuse me. Why is your window open? Do you know who I am? I am a moose. I could literally eat your face off, alright?
Cutting up, I want a mouse. Cutting your mouse as fast as I meow. Schwabba,
What the hell? You fucked it up, Marcus.
Let's do it again.
Catnip,
I want a mouse. Cutting your mouse as fast as I meow. Swat it, lick it, and pierce it with your teeth. Put it in a litter for you and me. Catnip, I want a mouse. Catch me a mouse as fast as I meow. Swat it, lick it, and pierce it with your teeth. Put it in a litter for you and me.
Oh, what
Shit. What the fuck?
Frank, this is the last time you pull this shit. When I get a hold of you, I'm gonna peck your eyeballs out, you son of a bitch. Oh, oh shit, boss, are you okay? Jerry, go around the side of the pool. Okay. God damn it, Frank. Are you? I can smell that catnip. You owe me about 10 pounds of it, god damn it.
You're gonna blow my cover.
Son of a bitch.
Cover down.
Hey, Sharon, you know where Gary is? He owes me quite a bit of catnip, you know.
Sharon, come on.
Where the hell are you, Gary?
Okay, Sharon, just shield me.
Gary, you son of a bitch, where's my catnip?
Steven, just relax, man.
Gary, you owe me about 10 pounds. Oh, you think you can hide from me? All right, so what kind of game? Okay, putting it in the little white cup there. Got my eyes on this, and Sharon, it's right there. This is easy peasy lemon motherfucker. Sharon, how could you do this to me? Make my way down here. God damn it. Okay, Janice, just hold on here. I'm gonna pop my.
What the hell?
Yeah. All right, so Janice, here's the deal. Yeah. You got a big mice problem, you know, bigger than I've ever seen before. To be quite honest with you, and it's gonna cost you. It's gonna cost you about 10 pounds of catnip. You know, that's standard union rate. All right, don't make the decisions around here. I'm gonna get back up there, Janice. I'm gonna bill ya. Squawk. Frank, this is the last time you pull this shit. I'm gonna, when I get a hold of you, I'm gonna peck your
Why do I
eyeballs
feel like
out,
that's
you
how
son
Dad
of a
looks
bitch.
when he runs?
Oh, shit, balls.
Probably.
Are you okay? Jared, go around the side of the pool. Okay. God damn it, Frank.
Ho ho, here I come, bitch. Ah, yeah, take a good look. Look at that. You see that? That's 100% me there, all bird. Yeah, go ahead, take a picture if you want. I don't give a shit. Ah. You guys made a big mistake letting me out of there. You see that shit? Unbelievable. God, I'm awesome.
He looks like he's waiting.
Hey, who's there? Greg?
Trash
Greg,
Panda.
we talked about this, all right? This is my, you know, no pets, all right? This is, I pay rent here, Greg. You and I both know that. So just, you know what? Actually, pets do sound a little nice. Give some little, oh yeah. All right, Sharon, so it's tax season. You and I both know that. I've been doing some calculations, and looks like you owe me 4,000 pounds of cat food. Yeah, so my associate, Gary, you know, he's right on ballpark here, Sharon. We're looking at 4,000 pounds of cat food. Yeah, Sharon, here at the Raccoon Federation, we have your best interests in heart, and, you know, regarding the cat food, there's no two ways about it. All right, Jimmy, you just gotta pull the rope here.
John, I'm trying.
No, you gotta pull it like this.
Try to pull it.
God damn it, shit.
Whoa, pretty cold day out here. Oh, shit.
Man, it's freezing out here. Just gotta. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Ah. You know
You
what?
just spit.
Get back.
Ready?
Jesus, Mark. Whoa. Damn it.
So it looks like we got the water here, and if we just do a little hop. Oh,
Holy shit.
Okay.
what's this what are we doing here? Just gotta peck it a little bit.
Long day.
Oh.
Spinning webs, huh, Steven? Oh, you wanna play a little rock, paper, scissors? All right, ready? One,
Better not jump at the
2,
screen.
3, shoot.
Oh,
That's
that's
paper.
cute.
Can't believe I got you with the paper, Steven. Actually, you know what? Just put the finger down. Oh, you know what, Steven? I bop you. Yep.
Frank, so I don't really know
Jack! Timmy, flank him on the other side!
Oh my god.
Oh,
Those are mice.
shit, there's too many of them!
I'm just gonna go in the corner here.
What, in the corner? No, I need backup ASAPity!
Frank, I'm scared.
Timmy!
Yeah.
Come on!
Okay.
Over here!
Coming. Oh.
God damn it, we only got one! Let's go!
High five. Oh. High five right. Oh.
Dude, what the fuck is Mark doing? He's trying to high five a human.
Aw,
God
cute.
damn it! He's gonna get shot. Mark, come on!
What? Okay.
Yes,
No,
they can
jump!
stand.
Whoa!
Sharon, do the up, down, through. Nice.
Check it. You don't wanna mess with me, cat. Yeah. Wanna. So this fruit bowl's just a free for all, huh?
Oh yeah.
All right, sweet. Let me just sniff around here, and I love grapes here. Ugh, man, rough day on the course. Let me tell ya. Already 4 double bogeys, and we're not even done with the front 9. Jeez Louise. Yeah, I'm definitely lost. I don't even know if I'm on a golf course at this point.
Hey, what's up? Let's get over.
Look at this fool right here.
You be talking all this smack, he's on behind this bubble butt.
What are you gonna do?
What I'm gonna do? What I'm gonna do?
wow.
What I'm gonna do? What I'm gonna do?
You're a chihuahua.
Rogan
bubble
needs one of
fool.
those.
Get
You
the
better
fuck
not be
outta
out here on my streets. That's it.
I'm gonna do a shit.
Just gotta shake.
Snow's really not too hot. Ooh, baby, it's slippery. He, ha, hoo. Whoa, there's a lot of snow. Gotcha, you son of a bitch.
Yeah. Sharon, it's everywhere. Holy shit. Yeah, I mean, Sharon, I'm not proud, but my paw's stuck. I'm all of a sudden. Oh,
What is this? Sorcery! Sharon, there's an entire world down here! Oh my god!
Dog?
Oh,
That's a cat.
going in! Sharon, I think I see it!
Oh! Is that a grill?
Oh my god. How long have I been in there? What year is it, Sharon? What
a big
mere
cat.
seconds for you has been years for me. The battle of the... Oh! The lynxes, they're taking me back! Oh!
alright, so if my calculations are correct, and they always are, I should be able to. Oh, shit! What the hell kind of contraption do we got here? Looks like, Oh! What do we got on the menu? Oh! You know, Sharon, I'm done. I'm over it. We've been shopping for damn near 3 hours, and
It's a lazy
I'm just
dog.
gonna lay here. Where am I putting this shit? Damn it. Alright, Sharon, I got the bags here. Yeah, just right in the bag there, Sharon. Oh, baby. I got your little chair there. Alright, let's do... Oh, God damn it. Sharon, you gotta figure your shit out. Bob, are you still filming? God damn it. What the hell's the matter with you, Bob? God damn it, can't you see I'm trying to take a piss in peace? Get the hell out of here.
Okay, so this is the...
yeah.
This is the kitten, huh?
Give her a kiss.
A kiss? I don't know if I can, Okay, I gotta make contact here. Just gonna touch it. Oh, I don't... I can't do it. I can't do it, Meredith. Oh, Jesus. Alright, so, let me see if I can... Oh, it smells weird. Is that my ball? Oh, my God. Oh, okay, I gotta pay attention here. Gotta focus. Meredith, so this is the kitten. Alright, maybe I can... Okay, here we go. I just gotta... Wait, where'd it go? I can't see it. Oh, shit, there it is. Man, that is a... that's a kitten. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I can do it.
Hey, fellas, any of you seen Tiger Woods? Ooh, man, really hope no one touches my tail. I hate that. Oh, God damn it. Time to slither. Ooh. Now, that's nice. What are you looking at? Don't even think about touching me. Don't. I said no, all right? Get those filthy hands. I don't know where those... Sharon, don't. I said don't touch me. And you stink. Sharon, your kid stinks. I didn't. I barely even touched him. All right, just gonna hop down here and hop down there and... Oh, shit. All right, so I should be able to... If the rock is down there, I should be able to gauge this little hop down there and... Oh, shit. Oh, no! Yeah, Gary, it's a little slippery. Oh, jeez. Walking through the... Oh! Parkour! Whoa! Jerry! Well, Jerry. It was just messed up. Hey, Janice. Goddamn. Don't even get me started. The kids were just animals. And Mark over here, completely worthless. Been waiting for the mailman all day. It's Sunday. Is that ice? Shit, it's ice day. I can't believe we're getting ice.
Ice. Yeah, this one's mine. You never really know what you can find in here. Oh my! Look at this thing. It's just like an endless pool of ice. It's just so damn good. Hang on. I think I got one. Huh? What is this thing right over here? Holy shit!
You gonna put them on?
These are sunglasses.
Oh.
I'll be honest with you, son. I feel like the luckiest man in the world right now. I mean, well, gorilla or orangutan. Wait, what the hell even are we again? You know what? Fuck these sunglasses. Hey, Paul, give me some bananas. Leaves again. All right, so let's do it. So down here, yeah, is the manufacturer plant. It's where I oversee, you know, the wood. You see these cheese choppers right here? That's why I'm in charge. All right, so you see this? You know, we're gonna ring it right here. Yeah, this is gonna be good. It's gonna be good for the house. Let's bring it. All right, so just gotta walk back through here, and we're gonna drop it off here, and that's a day in the life.
What in the hell is going on in here? Oh shit! What the? You know what? Not today.
Hey, what's the commotion? Oh! Woof! All right, Mama, give me a status report.
Yeah. I just came into the door, and this thing was just staring at me.
Huh. Oh, let me just check this out. Oh, shit!
Stuffed animal.
This thing, the old snifferoo. Can I help it?
Snowball. Man,
Oh,
you, Chester.
Damn, Snowball,
Oh,
listen,
you
stop. Calm your claws and listen.
Okay.
I talk to you about something very important.
Wait, what?
I overheard the humans talking about getting a dog.
Are you serious?
A good for nothing, always humping, poop smelling dog. All right? Now, I don't know if you've ever lived with a dog. It's the worst experience I've ever had in all 9 of my lives. We got to make
What's
sure
with
this
the
doesn't
tail?
happen.
It looks like they shaved the tail.
They must have
This is the
Hey,
toilet paper challenge. You're
oh,
like really late to do
let me
this,
see
but
that.
you're supposed to step over it
Oh yeah, that
and come this way.
smells like toilet paper, all right.
Jump over. Bell.
Step
Bell.
over. Let me do a little
Bell.
circle.
Can you like
Oh my God,
come
I'm
over
freaking.
here? Here, I have a treat for you.
Come
here,
on,
Bell.
I just-
Bell.
Okay, I'm kind of
Just
thinking
step
how
over
I
it.
can step. Hello. Anyone? No,
Hey,
no one's
Bell.
back there.
Bell,
All right,
can you step over it? Just
step.
come here. This
What's
way.
with the eyes?
Okay, I'm
You're
just
just
gonna
gonna
park
sit?
it. Yeah.
Yes.
I'm kind of
That's
taking
a
it,
very good girl.
taking it all in, Sharon.
Yeah, that's good, Bell.
I
That
know. I
dog
mean,
looks
What are you
like
gonna
he's
do? Are you
seen
gonna come over?
everything.
Yes, I'm gonna.
You're not sure?
I don't really know.
Templeton.
Holy shit!
Watch
we
the
have
cat
a
go right over it.
Belly, come on.
That's crazy, man. My
Here, come over
God.
here. Do you want your treats?
Oh, I want my. Oh, did it! I did.
Oh, there you go.
All right, where's the treat, Sharon? Mary, wow, you look amazing today. Whoa, this is taken, bro. Yeah, bro, it's taken. Whoa, no one told me we're getting a new roommate. Let me check you out here. Yep, that looks pretty good. Yep, we're gonna have to do the old ceremony. All right, so gonna check out this paw there. That looks good over the head. Don't worry, I'm handling the Sharon. Ah. All right, looks like you passed, but I'm watching you. Oh, yeah, that's good. Let me see the star here. Yep, that checks out. That's semicircle. Gotta love that. Ooh, yeah, the crab's good. Larry, what do you? Give me the squid. Oh yeah, that's good. I gotta love that. And oh my, what the fuck? Take that out of the lineup, Larry. Get that out of here. You know what? Take that. Take all this shit. It's all good. All right. See you later. And so pretty much, you know, I said we're
What the
done.
heck is that?
I said, you know,
Chinchillas.
we want 2 different things, you and I, and Jim.
Is that one alive?
I don't know.
We're
Looks
done.
stuffed.
I broke up with her. You know, it's been 5 years. It's crazy, but.
Waiting for
Dude,
it
are you
to
okay?
be-
What's
I
going
think
on?
it's stuffed.
This is pretty
It looks stuffed.
pretty good crack.
Sneak
here.
attack.
What's up?
Daryl.
Ooh, yeah, behind the vase. Ooh, in your face, out your face.
I don't have.
Get
Oh!
Ooh,
All right.
that actually really
Oh,
hurt.
it's a pretty cool
Jimmy.
plant here. Get your fluffy little ups over here.
Stop. I said stop.
Somersault.
Okay. You know why they call me the albino assassin? Get over here, Jimmy.
Daryl. Come on.
No, seriously, get back.
Daryl, that's cheating. Ooh, this looks like some pretty good. Hey, what are you doing, Frank? Hey, how's it going, Jim? What are you? Don't. No, I'm just checking out. Don't the landscape. Don't you
Oh,
sit on
right on it.
No.
Unbelievable. You see what I have to do?
Oh.
Ooh, look, a free baby.
Wow.
What the fuck? Why, he's right there. Why can't I get him? Oh, he's moving. What the fuck is going on here? Is this some sort of anti-lion baby protecting force field? Come on. Well, I guess we'll just go hunt an antelope or something.
Hey, fellas, how y'all doing this morning?
Oh, look what we got over here.
Let's get him, boss.
Turkeys?
Oh, shit.
Can you believe this thing came
Run,
from
dog,
a wolf?
run.
Come on, let's kick his ass.
Yeah, get him, Marty.
You guys mind actually getting off the property, please?
What are you gonna do about it, Beverly Hills Chihuahua?
Imagine if you were 10 minutes. Wait.
I think those turkeys were expecting me to tuck my tail and run as usual, but my dad always said a good guard dog, he barks loud and he bites hard, so that's what I try to live by. It doesn't matter if you're a small dog, you can be a guard dog too, and I'm looking forward to Thanksgiving this year.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day. Subscribe.